Hey guys, so welcome to our video where we're going to show you how to disassemble your bed frame. So what we have here is a standard bed frame that fits any size. Ours is set at a king, and we realized after many years of using it, we completely forgot how to disassemble it. So if you approach it initially, you're like, how does this work? Like you push, you pull that way, you pull this way, and it just does not seem to come apart. So it actually took us hours to realize that there's a very simple solution to this. So there's 4 of these set on each side of the bed frame. We found out a very simple solution to this. You push and then you pull apart. Simple as that. So let's go over here, do the same thing. Push, pull apart. Simple as that. We'll do the other sides just to show you again from the inside now. Push it in. Easy does it. Pull apart. One more time on this side. Okay, and push there. Push and pull. Okay, and then we're gonna fold, or that piece comes apart. This piece also comes apart. Okay. And then that part folds into there. That part folds into there. Lay it against the wall. And these parts also fold. We'll lay it on the wall as well. And voila! It's ready to be discarded. Thank you for watching.